Want to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely? This video will show you the simple tricks to get the launcher installed. Let's dive in. First things first, this error means the Epic Games Launcher installer couldn't complete, often due to corrupted files, conflicting software, or insufficient permissions. Now, the most crucial fix is to run the installer as an administrator. Right-click on the Epic Games Launcher setup file and select Run as Administrator. This provides the necessary permissions for installation. Next, disable your antivirus and firewall temporarily. Your security software might be mistakenly blocking the installer from writing files. After disabling, try running the setup again. If it works, add exceptions for the Epic Games Launcher installation folder. You'll also want to delete any partial Epic Games Launcher installation files. Go to C:"Program Files, open parenthesis, x86, close parenthesis, \Epic Games, and delete any remnants if present. Also, clear %local app data, %Epic Games Launcher saved webcache_4147 if it exists. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Missing system updates or outdated Visual C++ redistributables can cause installation failures. Download and install the latest Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's website. Finally, re-download the Epic Games Launcher setup file from the official Epic Games website, epicgames.com. The previous download might have been corrupted. Run a clean install. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more PC gaming tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.